What's up guys, welcome back to another video here at PLM. So today's video, we're going for a drive in our 2024 Subaru WRX VB TR. A lot of you guys also know that this car pushes around 340 horsepower. Alright, 6 run, we made 340 horsepower, and this has all PLM bolt-ons. And we also have a custom tune by Mikey Performance, or Mikey Tuned, I'm sorry. I'm gonna test out the new tune right now. We've been data logging this car as well. It's been giving us a lot of great results. Before that, we do need to get gas, and it's actually filled up right now. We have $60. We paid 60 bucks for 12.6 gallons right there. So this should be exciting. We have a lot of places to go today. Plus, San Francisco right now is pretty hot too. It's pretty warm. We're around like, I think we're around like closer to 80s maybe or something. Maybe like 75 to 78 somewhere there. So it's definitely going to be a good day. I'm also with Nathan right there. What's up, Nathan? So it's one of my home boats right here. We're gonna go for a drive. Let's go. Alice's restaurant I was talking about. They have a lot of nice cars. So the E36, see? Datsun. There's a Miata. Everyone's out right now because... Alright, so we are now at Alice's restaurant here in Woodside. And you're in the middle heading to the ocean by the coast. You also are in the middle getting back to the city. But we're just gonna stop by here for a bit, make sure the car is running good. It seems like everything's good so far.